Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Squarespace for blogging, full guide step by step clearly. To begin using Squarespace for blogging, first, sign up for a Squarespace account. Visit the Squarespace website and click on Get Started. Choose a template that fits your blogging style. Once you've selected a template, click on Start with this design. Follow the prompts to create your account by entering your email and creating a password. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Squarespace dashboard. To create your first blog post, navigate to the Pages menu on the left side. Click on the plus icon to add a new page. Select the blog option from the list of page types. This will create a new blog page on your site. Now, click on the newly created blog page to open it. Here, you will find the option to add post. Click on Add Post to start writing. You'll see a text editor where you can enter your blog title and content. Utilize formatting options such as headings, lists, and block quotes to enhance your writing. You can also add images by clicking on the image icon within the editor. To include tags or categories for better organization, scroll down in the post settings. Once you're satisfied with your content, preview the post using the Preview button. This allows you to check how it will look once published. When ready, click Publish to make your blog post live. Explore the design section in the dashboard to customize the appearance of your blog. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. Make sure to configure your blog settings under Settings to optimize for SEO. This is crucial for improving your blog's visibility online. To do this, go to the Marketing section and set up social sharing options. Regularly update your blog by adding new posts and engaging with your audience. Review analytics in the Analytics section to track your blog's performance. This data will help you refine your content strategy over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.